Hello, kids, and welcome back. We were learning how to edit our sprite. So, what we are going to do, we are just going to create something here. These are some options. With this, we can create something. I have a circle, a line, and a square. I can click on the circle and make a circle here. This is a circle I just created. Okay, you see it is white. So what I'm going to do, I have to change the color first of all, and change the color here, and the outline it should be, let's say, not more than 4. Okay, so when I'm going to make the circle now, it is going to take the color of the fill and outline, that is green. You can see a green outline and a red inside the fill color. So what I can do with it, I can choose from here, move it anywhere I want. This is the selection tool. With this I can select the whole thing. But if I am going to reshape it, I can see small circles around it. From here I can change the color as change the shape as I want. Now how about that? Okay, so I have created something. You can experiment with it as you like. When I click on any of these buttons here, it gives me a chance to change it. There are two. Whenever I'm clicking on it, there are two handles around it with which I can change the shape as I want. Here we have. Okay, so with this one I can change the shape. Another tool is eraser. If I am going to click on it, it is going to erase it. And now when I'm going to select it, I have two different shapes. Okay, and with their shape I can edit according to the shape. We have these handles here. There are sometimes few handles, sometimes there are more than few handles. Okay, you can see wherever there is a curve or there is a bend, becomes a point there to, you can edit it from there. Okay, I'm not just making anything, I'm just showing how the tools work. Okay, I can select them and delete them from the delete button in the top. I can select it, copy it, paste it to make another copy of it, or delete it to delete it. If I want to flip it horizontally, I can flip it on the other way or flip it upside down. Okay, these are when we have more than one object, we are going to look at those later on. Okay, so that's how our selection, our reshape and erase tool work with the shapes. That's all for today. See you in the next module. Bye bye now.